Welcome back to the fourth day here in this week. Thank you guys for the comments, likes, and subscriptions. We really appreciate that over here. We are trying to get to 400 subscribers. So please hit that like, comment. Let me know if any of these videos you have made any money from. But we have another project here that is called Atair project, and it's like a freelancing where you can work and get paid, and you get paid $35 per project. You need to act fast, so go ahead and put in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, date of birth, county, select the project type, and a little bit. Let's get a little bit of info about this. You can. It's guaranteed. It's $35 per hour. It's really good money. You cannot beat that. And they have different freelancing projects and stuff like that. So you can click here to become an agent, and basically, you're gonna put in first name, last name, email address, all that good stuff. And then if someone likes your application, then they're gonna respond back out to you. Go ahead and click to apply now. After you have done all that, make sure you just confirm you're not a robot, because I obviously all 360 some subscriptions are real people. YouTube verifies that every day, so there's no fake bots over here. Every one of my subscribers are real, in case you didn't know that. Whether they comment or not, that's a different story. But I would like them to comment more. But I get my loyal ones that comment, so that's all good. Make sure that you are going ahead and filling out this ATL Air project early before spots fill up, because it's very limited and you don't want to be left behind. I really appreciate you guys for rocking with me. But that's all I have for you guys today for this particular one. There's not much to it. You can look at the requirements, you can get a little bit more about it. You can contact them even directly, and you can search the FAQs here. And they tell you a little bit about what it's about. So just go ahead and click to join now and sign up. And other than that, take care, money makers, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.